Hi guys, welcome back on Tech8. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add comments in Telegram. First of all, you can open the Telegram application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the chat section at the bottom middle of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just simply select the channel that you want to add a comment. I can select this channel. After selecting the channel, you can now tap on the channel's name at the top middle of the screen. Now you can tap on edit, and here you will see the third option, that is discussion. Tap on it, and now you will see the different groups. Here you can just simply add a group in your channel, and this is the way you can add comments in Telegram. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.